first situation where you're not going to conjugate a verb is when you use that verb as a subject. Take this example. Riding a motorcycle is fun. In this case, the word riding is the subject, and that's a verb. Well, actually it happens to be a gerund, or an ing word in English. In Spanish, gerunds are only used for actions in progress, so instead we use infinitives, or unconjugated verbs, to express the idea instead. So riding a motorcycle is fun would be montar a una moto es divertido. Montar is the infinitive, it's used as the subject, to ride. Here's another example. Estudiar es una buena idea. Studying, or to study, is a good idea. Or, bailar flamenco es muy difícil. Dancing the flamenco is really hard. Or to dance flamenco is really hard. And the last one, el mantener de equilibrio es el secreto para tener una buena vida. Maintaining balance is the secret to having a happy life. Sometimes you can put el in front of the verb if it's used as a subject. You don't have to, but sometimes you can. So that's it. Don't use the ando yendo, which is the Spanish gerund. Just use the verb if you're going to use it as a noun.